Imagine this. The sun sets, your backyard glows with string lights, and the irresistible aroma of wood-fired pizza wafts through the air. Friends and family gather, eagerly awaiting a slice of crispy, smoky perfection. This isn't a dream. It's the reality you unlock with the Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven, a portable, stainless steel, wood pellet-fired masterpiece that's transforming backyard BBQs into gourmet pizza parties. Inspired by the futuristic Tesla Cybertruck, this 12-inch pizza maker is more than a cooking tool. It's a statement piece that elevates your outdoor culinary game. Ready to discover why this oven is a must-have for pizza lovers and barbecue enthusiasts alike? Let's dive into this comprehensive review of the Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven and see how it delivers restaurant-quality results right at home. Solving your outdoor cooking woes. Outdoor cooking can be a hassle. Uneven heat, long cooking times, and lackluster flavors often leave you settling for subpar meals. The Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven tackles these pain points head-on. Its wood pellet-fired design delivers authentic smoky flavors, while the high heat capability, up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures your pizzas cook in just 2 minutes after preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No more waiting around or dealing with soggy crusts. The manually rotating 360-degree pizza stone guarantees even cooking, so every slice is perfectly golden. Whether you're craving a classic margarita or experimenting with grilled steaks, this oven makes outdoor cooking fast, flavorful, and fun. Why the Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven stands out. This isn't just another pizza oven. It's a game-changer for backyard chefs. Crafted from premium stainless steel, the Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven blends durability with a sleek, Tesla Cybertruck-inspired aesthetic that's sure to spark conversation. Its compact, portable design with foldable legs and a handle makes it ideal for backyard BBQs, camping trips, or beachside gatherings. But it's not just about looks. This oven is packed with features that make it a versatile, high-performing addition to your outdoor kitchen. Here's why it's stealing the spotlight. Innovative Tesla Cybertruck-inspired design. The oven's angular, futuristic look mirrors the iconic Tesla Cybertruck, making it a stylish centerpiece for any outdoor space. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, resisting rust and wear even with frequent use. High heat capability for fast cooking. Reaching temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, this oven preheats to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 to 20 minutes, allowing you to cook a 12-inch pizza in a mere 2 minutes. The result? Crispy crusts with a hint of smoky, wood-fired flavor that rivals pizzeria quality. Manually rotating 360-degree pizza stone. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked pizzas. The rotating stone ensures consistent heat distribution, so every bite is perfectly cooked. No flipping required. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizzas, this oven excels at grilling steaks, lamb chops, chicken, fish, and vegetables. The included high-quality cast iron pan expands your menu, making it a multi-purpose barbecue tool. Precise temperature control. A built-in thermometer lets you monitor and adjust the heat for consistent results. Whether you're baking a Neapolitan pizza or searing a juicy steak. Portable and easy to use. Weighing in with foldable legs and a handle, this oven is designed for portability. Take it to campsites, picnics, or backyard parties with ease. Assembly is straightforward, and the wood pellet system is user-friendly, though it requires a short learning curve to master heat control. Superior craftsmanship. Built with high-quality materials, this oven is made to last, delivering exceptional performance for years of outdoor cooking adventures. Benefits that make a difference. The Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven isn't just about cooking. It's about creating unforgettable experiences. Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve crispy, wood-fired pizzas with a smoky flavor that rivals your favorite pizzeria, all from the comfort of your backyard. Time-saving efficiency. With rapid preheating and a 2-minute cook time, you can serve gourmet meals without keeping guests waiting. Versatility for any occasion. From pizza nights to barbecue feasts, this oven handles a wide range of dishes, making it a go-to for family gatherings, parties, or solo culinary experiments. Why choose the Skyfish Cyber Outdoor Pizza Oven? This oven combines style, performance, and versatility in a way few competitors can match. Its Tesla Cybertruck-inspired design turns heads, while its high heat capability and rotating stone deliver professional results. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, the Skyfish makes outdoor cooking accessible, exciting, and delicious. Compared to gas-powered ovens, the wood pellet system adds a unique smoky flavor that elevates every dish. While it requires a bit of practice to master heat control, the payoff is worth it. Gourmet pizzas and barbecue dishes that will leave your guests begging for more. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.